Welcome back to this session again. We continue. As you can see, I'm done with my letterhead. So this is another technique on how to create a letterhead. I believe that when we come back to the topic on creating letterhead, we will not find challenges that way again because already if you follow this if you have followed all this and you are able to create a simple letterhead. Okay, because also creating letterhead, we have the same procedure that we use here, just that other techniques are going to be employed. Okay, now assuming that the next thing that I have, I need to type the maybe the subject of my report. I need to type the subject of my report. So what I need to do is that I just come here on insert, right? We are on insert. I increase my zoom a little bit so that people should be able to see what I'm doing. I'll go to the inserts. If I want that it should look somehow like a design, right? I'll go now, not a text box. I'll go under text group, then I'll have the you have word art. I will take word art. When I click on word art, they will ask me that I should type my word. I can write the end of semester reports. Okay, end of semester report for fiscal year 2020. Okay, then I click OK. So when I click on it, you see where it is placed. You can see very well. And when it is here like this, if I carry it, it cannot go. So what did I need to do? I click on it, you see the format is still here. When I come there, I'll now go under the arrange group. Under the arrange group, then you see something like text wrap. So I'll click on text wrap now. I'll take true. Okay. So I can now throw it right down here. So it's going to appear here like this. Then I can increase the size a little bit. Then I come down under format again on the word art styles. Then I'll take fee, shape feed. I can take it to be black. Outline, shape outline. I can take it to be, let's say, red. Okay. You are seeing very well. All depends on what you are doing. So at times some may not require this type of designing. So okay, I now need a banner, right? I need a banner to type inside what I'm doing. So I go to insert again. I'll click on under the illustration group. I'll click on shapes here. One other shapes. I'll go down to banners and stars. So I'll take my banner that I want to use here. Let me just say I want to use this banner. So when I select it, you see my cursor turns to a plus sign. So from where I want to draw the banner, I'll click there and I'll type. I'll click. When I click and comes here, you see I draw. I'm dragging. I just click. I'm dragging. I'm going right. It comes up. That is my banner. So I'll position it. Then how to type inside here? How did I type? I just right click here. I did add text. So I can just say the statement the statement of budget execution for the fiscal year report by the national team verification at the end of fourth quarter at the end of the fourth quarter in the presence of the Minister of State and Minister of Finance. All right. I'll just assume that that is it. It can be the statement of your report. Okay, so I'll select this text. I'll go to my home. Remember, text is usually edited on the home ribbon. So I can go there, take my Times New Roman, or I can decide to use Algeria. I can decide to use any text that will look somehow nice for me. Then I give it center alignment. Then you see that it is hanging up, so I'll put it up there. When I click my cursor behind the starting point, I'll take the enter key. Then it will come down here. When it comes down, I can change the font color here, maybe to yellow. No, yellow is not showing that way. Let me use, yes, the green. So at least it is showing. So I increase the font size as well. So when I increase the font size, I have something like this. So this is how our page cover is gradually coming out bit by bit, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so the next thing is that I need to indicate it was presented by who. To Gaflar, I see go on his set. Now I take a text box. I drew down the text box. I write the presented, or right now inside presented by, I'll put my two dot as usual. Okay, two dot, I'll say by Mr. Ngoro Yane. Okay, Yane. All right. So we'll say that edited. Okay, so let me just end there. That is it. I don't want to make these videos be too long so that you can go through it as brief as fast as possible. So I have like that. When I get this, it's okay. Maybe I just have to do some small bold. So now I come up here on the format. Remember, I give it no outline and no fill color. So that is just how it looks like. So you can also just have some, maybe you put something here. For those of you that are in school, right, you can have like academic supervisor. You can just say academic supervisor or supervised by, supervised by. Then you'll have edited by. All right. Then you write your names on that. Remember, you do your positioning very well. Okay. So I can also come here. I just go to my insert again. Let me increase my zoom so that you see all very well. I go there. I take another small something, a small banner of this style. I just come here. I draw it somewhere here. Then I add my text. I right click and date add text. Remember, I say fiscal year 2020. Okay, then I'll take put it here. I'll take enter so that backspace a little bit. Okay, I'll just allow it here. All right, I'll allow it here. Then I'll just give a center alignment. I go to home. I take center. So let me even see my line spacing 1.5. Remove line spacing. Then I take it down a bit, one step down. Okay, it has balanced. Everything is okay. We allowed it there. We end for here for this part and we come back for the second part. Thank you so much for following up.